Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Instagram Explore page. It's actually very, very easy to do. It just takes a couple seconds here. All you have to do is head over to your Instagram application, open that up. Once you're on your Instagram application, you want to go to the bottom right corner where your profile page is. Just click on that to open that up. Once you're on this page like I am right here, you want to go up to the top right where you see the three lines. Click on that, and then click on Settings at the very top. And then what you want to do once you're here is you want to go to where you see Security right here. Click on that. And then at the bottom under Data and History, you'll see there's an option for Clear Search History. You want to go ahead and click on that. And then go to the top right corner where you see Clear All. Then you can go ahead and click on Clear All and Clear. And that will then refresh this Explore page here for you. Just like that. Very, very easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to reset your Instagram Explore page. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.